Let's take it over to trader Alan Knuckman at bullseyeoption.com for the final trade of the day. Alan, as a bull, you have to love this market. On Monday, the NASDAQ went crazy and the Russell 2000 crossed 2,500 for the first time. Is there more room to run?
Hello, Angie. No surprise. New all-time highs. So stocks continue to surge with new records in the NASDAQ and the S&P. The Dow and the Russell a little bit behind, but they still have more upside.
What's next for the market?
All right, earnings are coming up here next week, so we'll have some fundamental facts that can really give this market another melt-up boost.
Your new trade is forever connected to Reddit and meme trading.
All right, the stock I'm looking at for this week is GameStop. And I'm not a meme guy at all. I trade what I see, and I see money flow. And I also see bullish divergence bottom is what we looked for back in April, where it had made new lows but not new highs and implied volatility. And the volatility in this stock, which historically is really high, has come way down, making the options a super great value.
This is super great because as an options trader, you can take a hot stock and manage the risk. What's happening with GameStop shares this year?
All right, GME has been trading between 22.5 and 27.5 here for the last couple of months. I broke out and I was come back to that 25 breakout, which is the midpoint and an important pivot point to keep an eye on. So what I'm looking at here, this is a stock that's 60% off the highs from last year in 2024, but it has bounced 20% off of that April low where we saw that bullish divergence.
What's your breakout target in GameStop?
Now, this $5 range between 22.5 and 27.5, if we break out of that 27.5 level, that target's 32.5. There's also a gap up above at 29. So a lot here, risk reward, money flow, bullish divergence, and a stock that can really get rolling when people start paying attention.
We have seen that time and time again, Alan. So what's your plan to profit in this trade?
The way to play, I'm looking at a January option, a January in the money option, a 21 call. Again, the lower on this here recently has been around 20. So a 21 call, the stock trading about 25.75. So that option is nearly $6 in the money with 3 months of time.
What happens if GameStop does rally?
Now, if GameStop just breaks out and gets to that 33 target, this option will gain 100%.
Thanks for playing.
Thank you.